How many licks does it take till we get to the center of the eye? Alright y'all, it's your girl Styles Raven. Thank you for watching my makeup application today. It's not necessarily gonna be a tutorial because I'm not gonna be talking about okay, so wait, number one, if y'all see my lace right here, it's because she's not glued down. Okay, it's just for video purposes only. That's why I got this lollipop, the whole thing. Anyways, but my face is already prepped, so this is not a tutorial. I'm just gonna be chatting with y'all, talking as I do my makeup, which I really don't feel like doing today, but I'm doing it. So here we go. I wish I could turn on some music so that as I'm doing everything. Oh, but I need some water for my sponges. If stuff look different, it's because I'm filming in a different place from where I normally do my makeup. Way too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit up down. I'll get them flyaways. Today has been a really good day. Let's see, am I gonna be able to get my brows done on camera? Maybe not, so y'all give me a sec. I kind of wanted to do barbecue today. All right, y'all, so I had about 3 to 4 cups of coffee today. I don't know why in the hell I was drinking so much coffee, but I really just didn't feel like doing makeup today. So this is why y'all just got the goofiest me that y'all probably ever seen as far as stuff. But yeah, so pretty much my day consisted of me lounging around the house, relaxing. It was really hot here today in Texas, like 80 degrees. And then now they're talking about we're going to have snow Thursday. So pretty much this is the type of stuff that I do when I'm home and I'm bored. I just decided to do a little get ready with me because I was gonna film, but for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. Yeah, I didn't. So I got around to doing my makeup and this is pretty much it. Now y'all see, I like all my stuff natural. If you've been following me for some time, you know I blend everything all the way out. I didn't do a cut crease. I just kind of layered it because I wanted this to be more soft. I didn't want it to be as pigmented. But with Juvia's Place, you're going to get pigment anyway, regardless if you cut a crease with concealer or not. So, yeah. So anyways, I do have some videos coming up for you guys. I promise I'm going to be doing like my celeb vlogs. I started to talk about like a little bit of that today over this get ready with me, but I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So I have been doing polls here on my channel and you guys have been giving me all your responses, so I'm definitely looking at all of that and taking all those things into consideration. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna just kind of be quiet for a sec and chill out and let y'all watch, and then I'll come back with more commentary of whatever I got going on. Now, I always like to apply my foundation with my fingers, and then I come back with a brush, and then I come back with a sponge, because I just like my stuff to really look like skin, really be blended out. And for some reason, to me, when I do it with my fingers, it's almost like I'm putting on moisturizer or something like that, and it just gives me a really nice coverage. This is the Fenty Beauty, so it's still kind of like full coverage, but yeah, I would spray my face with water too. It helps me blend. Y'all know how I am. This isn't love, this is bullet. I just want back what I put into this. Now, I don't like to put too much concealer, and I like to just blend it out immediately. Even when I get ready like to bake or set, I don't really bake. I put it on, I dust it on, and then I take my beauty blender and I blend it into my skin. And then I come back with my brush and I just kind of like wipe off whatever excessive stuff that I have left on my face. So yeah, this is not necessarily a makeup tutorial. It is basically just a get ready with me, if I haven't said that already. But if you do want to see some of my makeup tutorials where I go like in detail on what you should be doing and all that, you can definitely go to the makeup and beauty section on my channel under my playlist, and you can pull up any of those because I have tons of them. Today was literally like I just rushed through this, y'all. I can't even believe I'm about to post this on my YouTube, but hey, it is what it is. um it's not like they've been releasing new makeup, so everything that I'm showing today I've already had for the most part. Which, in all honesty, I think is really crazy that nobody's really dropping any type of makeup and stuff like that, because everybody wants to holler the pandemic is over, even though it isn't. But we really haven't been getting anything like that I've been excited about to come and showcase on my channel. And if you want it, if I hate you. Biggest thing I've been getting excited about is drugstore makeup, to be all honest. So you'll see some of that later on in this video, some of my Maybelline. And yeah, this isn't going to be like a long video at all. Y'all, I swear to God, I don't know if it was the coffee. I don't know if it was just the fact that I was just, I don't know what I'm going to even title this, because this is one of the videos you do when you just, you just don't feel like doing it, but you do it anyway. I guess I just wanted to be seen. Felt cute, which is always good, because I talked to my sister today. The boo wasn't feeling too well, so he was kind of like to himself. The kids were at school, I was home, and the rest of the week I'm actually going to be filling in at the schools, volunteering and subbing, so I'll actually be busy. But definitely catch me on Wednesday when I do the vlog. This probably is going to go up on Tuesday, because it took me all damn day just to get these clips loaded to my computer so that I can edit it and get it done. But yeah, so I'm tired of talking. I'm gonna just let the rest of this play out. I love y'all. Thanks for always watching. Make sure you watch to the end. Go ahead and subscribe and all that good shit, because I was having fun. Take me for a ride, show me what outside. So here we are with the Maybelline. I purchased all three of these. The first one I just showed you, I'm not really excited about, but these last two, I really, really like them. And I would say those two are my go-to. The very first one that's supposed to be like fall season stuff. I don't know why I always tried that one right there. Because they have one that they released some time back too that was kind of like the same thing, but I'm not a fan of that. But these two, I can rock all day. Now this is my Kim KW lipstick and lip gloss, and I really love her lipsticks and lip glosses. In case y'all haven't heard me say this a million times, I really do. I was very surprised with her makeup line, but those are like, I rock almost all her lipsticks and lip glosses. Perfectly fine, and all I do
think of you. It's the ways I wanna give you this ass.
Hey Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven here. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!